Go and grab several similar boxes and one smaller one. Cut those similar boxes across a diagonal. Cut the smaller box horizontally across. Tape the similar boxes across the bottom, before taping the smaller box on one of the ends. These slots are very versatile. Tape in between these slots for ease of sliding folders, books, papers, and other items. My name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching How to Make the Best Cardboard Slots for Organizing Books, Folders, Papers, and More on One Mom's Perspective. You can grab pretty much any boxes you have available in your house to make this. You can fill it with few items or a lot of items. You can turn an unsightly pile of work materials into an easy-to-grab and visible productive work area. These store-bought holders are good for the kitchen, and something made similar are also good for the bathroom, but they are not the best for displaying, holding, or organizing office work or school materials. The best part is that it's free and easy and quick to make. It's also extendable and kid-friendly. Thanks for watching.